Hello, parents. This is Miss Jerome-Severe coming with another video. If this is your first time in my YouTube channel, welcome. And if you're a returning friend and family, thank you. The purpose of my videos is to help children in school. Yes, I'm a teacher. And so the purpose of my videos is to find out what are the kids are struggling in school with that that helps them not that makes them not learning in school, and I try to make videos related to that so you as a parent could see what we're doing in class, so you could say, oh, this is how I need to help my child at home. Allô, parents mio, c'est Mrs.Jerome-Severe qui vient avec un autre vidéo. Sou faites venir dans channel là, bienvenue. Bien content ou là. Et sou te déjà qu'on visité déjà, moi dis merci d'être toujours à présenter ou toujours à aider m'kembe. Moi c'est un professeur à l'école. Plan moi c'est pour me faire vidéo avec ça ti moun y aplite l'école. So si me fait vidéo avec un bagay aplite l'école, ou ka konnen ça ou ouais ça m'a fait yo et puis qu'on a fait la veli et puis petit moi ka avancer vers l'avant. So all these videos that I make, they are based on what a lot of the children are struggling with. So that's why I make them. En pile vidéo yo me fait, c'est parti ti moun yo vraiment pas ka capter l'école. All right, so this is a fun game for the kids. So they're gonna unscramble the words. They're gonna unscramble the words and earn points. Ti moun yo prale chercher deviner mot et puis chaque mot yo gen bon yo fait point. All right, so how do you play this game? On each slide, you will see a picture. So the kids will see a picture and then with some scrambled letters. So use the scrambled letters to spell the name of that object. So your child is going to need a piece of paper to make some lines and write those letters the way in the order it should be. Okay, so that's the way we play the game. Ki jan ti moun yo jwe jwet la? So wap bay yon ti mot sou papye, epi lwa bay yon ti mot sou papye, so sa yo fe, yo mette espas, so yap gade let lan, yap gade foto an, epi yap gade let lan, let yo pa nan ligne normal. So yap mette let yo ansam pou yo chache devine sa mot a ye. All right? So the goal is for them to get 60 points. So Timonio that way for 60 points. So the kids should do 60 points. So so for each letter they get in order. So for each letter they get correct, they get a point. Just for the correct ones. All right, I'll do this one with you guys. All right, so you guys, so we got the letters. Here's the picture. Look at the picture, the white picture. It's a wing, right? So what are the letters? Wings. It's wings. So we're gonna put them in order. So go ahead and write it on your paper. The first letter should be what? W. The next letter should be what? I. The next letter should be N. The next letter should be G. And the last letter should be S. Wings. So let's see if you're correct. And if you have wings, if you spell it correct, if you spell it correct, you have to count your points. You have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 points. Okay? So, So let's do another one. So this time I will not be able to tell you. I did the first one with you, but I will not be able to tell you the other ones. You have to figure it out and finish right before the timer goes off. Okay? So here you go. Have fun. Don't forget to look at the picture of the little boy. Look at the picture of the little boy and see what the picture is showing you. And the word is, I hope you got it correct. So count your points so you know how many you have so far. Here's this one. Look at the picture on the side where the little girl is or the little boy. All right, try to write down all the letters before the time goes off. And the word is, I hope you had it correct. Count all your points. Look at the picture where the little girl is. And the word was flowers. All right, here's the next one. Look where the little girl is sitting. What is the shape of the moon? Very good. The word is cres- crescent. 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 And here we go. Let's look what she's holding in her hand. There's two of them in the picture. She's holding a pencil. Yes. What's this one? Let's see what the little boy is. What is the little boy writing in? Keep writing. Write them in the order so you could get as many points as you can. Time's up. The word is airplane. Here's the next one. Look at the picture of what the little boy is holding. What is he holding? Go ahead, unscramble your word. Put the letters in order. You're doing good. So keep writing your letters. And the word was balloon. Here's the next one. Don't forget to add your points. You should be adding your points as you get the letters in order. Here's that one. You need to look at the circle, right? The circle with the green lines on them. What do we call that? Okay, start writing your letters. I hope you know what the word is. And that one was hard. The word is world. All right. That is now add up your add up. It's time for you to add up your score and tell your mommy to send me what was your point? What was your score? So parents watch this video with the kids over and over. The first time they may have a hard time getting it. We'll do it with them again. This will help them with spelling. This will help them identifying the letters. This will help them with knowing their letter sounds. So it will help them in a lot of ways, and it will help them to do math because they're adding their numbers. Par mieux, refait vidéo ça avec petit tout encore parce que il un petit gens difficile dans le commencement, mais vidéo ça, il y a des petits mieux qu'on let yo. Li de yo kon son yo, li de yo fè adisyon, pase fòk yo mette point yo, li de yo kon li, li de yo kon e play. So there's a lot of skills the children get from this activity. And in writing and spelling and reading. So there's a lot of activities. So please do it more than once with them so they could benefit from this video. That's all. This is Miss Jerome-Severe. See you guys next time. So c'est ça seulement Miss Jerome te gagne pour nous. À bientôt.